All right, finished replacing my plastic bushings tonight with some bronze bushings. I had to use my little Dremel, which I don't recommend. Probably you want to use something like a drill to widen the holes a little bit because the bushings are a little bit bigger than the plastic ones. So that took a little bit of work, but they're in. And they're not moving. That's the clip you see moving. They might be a little too tight, so I might have to go back and adjust that depending on how it wears. We'll see. But there's the crappy little plastic ones. They just were squeaking nonstop, so I eventually just didn't have a choice. It was too loud to put up with. And so you can see, kinda looks good on that end. We are back and rolling. Everything sounds pretty good, so we'll see. Try it for a couple days and see how things wear.